What do you mean it's not done? We have to get the income statement done by this.
Hey, boss, I just came in. Yeah. What?
Hey, this is Dave from Wing. We spoke last week. We're an assistance company that can help you take a bunch of work
I'll
off
call
your
you
plate.
back.
I have 4 back-to-back meetings, clients are coming in, and I don't have time to get lunch. Also, it's Martin's birthday. As much as I want to have a breakdown in the utility closet, I can't. Now, I love Martin and all, but for stuff like this, it's always on me.
My name is Martin, and today is my birthday. But I have to get back to work. Hey, Vontae, can you help me out with this real quick?
Yeah, sure.
So yeah, we tried Wing. Wing lets us get help on anything. It's like having a superhuman team member that we can all count on. Wing has a team of people helping us 24/7, and they use cutting-edge artificial intelligence, so it's surprisingly affordable. I travel a lot, so being able to use Wing anywhere is a big plus. We can call Wing. Hey, Wing, can you give me lunch? Or Slack Wing. Or text Wing. Or go on the web or mobile apps and ask for whatever we need. Martin is basically in love with it. Wing learns about our employees and team, so we don't have to keep sharing the same information over and over again. Wing for Business even lets your employees use it during the workday for personal needs, and handles payments accordingly. Not to mention, handles financial reporting for purchases our business makes.
Taxman.
Hey, Wing, can you get me my usual groceries?
You can even turn on the optional Wing HR perk, which will give your employees access to Wing's personal concierge service,
Oh, my water's here.
which they can use 24/7 for anything they want in their personal lives. Everything that Wing does is secure. Our data, uploads, payment information, and communication with Wing is protected with bank-level security. Their CEO did a whole interview on how Wing keeps their users' data secure. Wing has really changed the way we work. It was super simple to adopt, and now we love Wing and count on it to help us get stuff done every day. My employees are more productive, they enjoy the work they do, and I feel like I have someone I can count on. My company is happy, and so am I. Learn more about Wing for Business at getwingapp.com/forbusiness.